Hi besties, I've missed you guys. It's been a hot minute. I haven't really had time to actually film, but here I am. Today we're gonna film and I thought it would be fun to try to attempt to do a Halloween makeup look because we're in September, we're getting close to Halloween. This is the first time that I am attempting this look, so we'll see how it goes. This is inspired from Pinterest. This is the inspired look, so we'll see how it goes. I hope the lighting's okay. I got new lighting and I got a new camera. Starting off with a white eyeshadow base. This is from Hollow Grave Cosmetics. I'm going to be using these eyeshadow guard things for my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. For the eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion eyeshadow palette. These colors are so pigmented and so colorful. And then I'm just taking a lighter green and fading it. Next is blue. So it looks pretty crazy at the moment. Probably looks pretty crazy, but again, this is like my first time attempting to do this. So we'll see. We'll see. Trust the process. This is kind of what we're working with at the moment. It's okay. I'm gonna give myself a dramatic wing. Always feels so good to peel off. Priming my face with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. I don't have face paint, so I'm just gonna use this white eyeshadow base. It actually works just the same. This stuff is like so pigmented. I'm just gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna really do this. So I'm just gonna start putting it all over my face. That was probably way too much. This is what it looks like so far. I know it looks crazy. I'm gonna apply some dramatic lashes from Ayani. Okay, we're gonna let these kind of like fully dry and then we'll do the rest of the face and hopefully it turns out okay. For foundation, I'm using the House Labs by Lady Gaga. I'm doing it with a damp beauty blender from Junko. We're gonna do the dripping foundation part kind of last because I'm kind of nervous for that. So I'm gonna do like this side of my face. Of course, gotta do a red nose. Taking a brush and I'm just gonna kind of play around with it because it has to be like clean but messy. Last step is this part and I'm super nervous because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. Give it a good shake. I didn't realize I was gonna be so liquidy. Trying not to mess it up. This didn't really go as planned, but this is the look. Not bad, I don't think. What do you guys think? I can't wait to take this off. I'm gonna go take it off. Bye.